I'm Saffana from Saudi Arabia. I'm an applied theater practitioner and a theater artist, and I write poetry as well.
My name is Pavel Hristov, and I am a digital artist, a VFX compositor for a very long time, but I'm acting, I'm writing, and hopefully producing my own projects very soon.
I'm a playwright in Istanbul and an actor, and I'm doing my PhD now in theater.
But I'm stuck in the shadows of your goodbyes.
From my perspective, it's not only a workshop, but it's a whole experience. And I'm happy that the level of the participants are really high, which is really beneficial for the creation. It has been really helpful for me.
I love the whole program, but our segment with Frances Blank was just amazing and insanely inspiring. So I cannot wait to collaborate with her in the future.
Yeah, so one of my highlights is just being around a lot of creatives that are quirky, fun, very talented, and having discussions, and ideas just keep popping up. And I love this idea of yes and we come up with something, and it's just out of this world by the end of it. And we're laughing, but also it's just, you know, really good work. So I appreciate that a lot.
But there's a chasm between our fingertips. Every doubt lingers like a ghost in the night, but I'm ready.
It is so different in terms of the space, because with like 20 people, you're stuck in a mountain, and the experience of being stuck is something really, really beautiful and really helpful. And you feel everybody's senses every day because you stay in the same place. So Dolen, the mountains of Dolen is the character here, I think. The character of the experience.
The location, the food, the participants, the mentors. And also, it's surprisingly well put together program. And what I understand now is that it's different every time people attend it, because there's people that come here for the second time, third time, fourth time, and I can see why. It's a great, immersive, phenomenal experience.
Definitely the most unique thing is that we live in a village and we're kind of secluded from everything else but nature. And we're also having meals together, so we get to know each other really well, really quickly. And we also find things in common. There's a lot of differences, but things in common, and we connect in that sense. So living together, working together, just becomes very like a wholesome experience in that sense.
Paint the sky, let the colors flow. Every moment wasted, another chance to seize. I'm standing on the edge, will you come with me, please?
Being in this experience, there are other things to look forward to. Like we went stargazing yesterday, and it was incredible. It was stunning. I haven't seen anything like it, and so that was just lovely, an extra bonus. Come and be prepared to take in a lot and exchange a lot and leave with actually more than you've come with.
Do it, open your mind, collaborate, and expect unforgettable memories.
So you'll stay in those houses from Ottoman Empire, which makes you feel really, really authentic. Just be open to that adventure.